How to fix Facebook app that keeps crashing. In this video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, go and open the settings of your phone, then open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook and click on clear on storage for first. Here, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. And now go and you have to update your Facebook if it's not updated on Play Store or App Store. And after this, you will see that your problem is being solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.